Welcome to AutoMaster, your ultimate destination for luxury car reviews, where we bring you the latest and most refined models from the world's top automakers. Today, we're diving into a premium SUV that blends elegance, innovation, and comfort in a way that only Infiniti can. Say hello to the 2026 Infiniti QX60 Autograph, a three-row luxury SUV designed to elevate your driving experience and make every journey a first-class experience. The Infiniti QX60 Autograph represents the top-tier trim in the QX60 lineup and defines what it means to drive in luxury with family in mind. For those unfamiliar, the QX60 is Infiniti's midsize crossover SUV, a model that's gained a reputation for its balance between practicality and upscale refinement. The Autograph trim takes it a step further, offering advanced materials, signature design cues, and enhanced technology, positioning it among the top contenders in the luxury SUV segment. From the outside, the 2026 QX60 Autograph instantly commands attention. Dressed in the elegant Moonbow Blue with a contrasting gloss black roof, it exudes a modern, confident stance. The sculpted body lines give it a dynamic presence even at a standstill, while the signature double-arch grille and sleek LED headlamps establish its identity as a true Infiniti. The 20-inch dark-painted alloy wheels and chrome accents along the window line add a touch of sophistication. The floating roof design, combined with the available panoramic sunroof, enhances the feeling of openness and light, making the SUV feel even more expansive and upscale. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that's crafted for those who appreciate the finer details. The QX60 Autograph features quilted semi-aniline leather seats, open-pore wood trim, and a two-tone color scheme that immediately conveys luxury. The front seats are not only heated and ventilated but also feature massage functions, a feature you don't typically see in this price range. Second-row captain's chairs come standard on the Autograph trim, separated by a central console, enhancing passenger comfort and giving a more premium experience. With seating for 6 and easy access to the third row, the cabin remains practical while still delivering luxury. Noise insulation has also been significantly improved, making the ride whisper quiet even at highway speeds. Technology plays a major role in the 2026 QX60 Autograph. At the center of the dash is a crisp 12.3-inch infotainment display that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with Infiniti's own intuitive interface. A digital gauge cluster, head-up display, and a premium Bose 17-speaker sound system ensure that both driver and passengers are fully immersed in the experience. Safety is a top priority, with features like ProPILOT Assist with NaviLink, forward emergency braking, blind spot intervention, and a surround view camera system that includes a virtual composite bird's-eye view. Under the hood, the QX60 Autograph is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 295 horsepower and 270 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Power delivery is smooth and confident, perfect for highway cruising or city navigation. The intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures stability and control across various road conditions, while the retuned suspension provides a more refined and composed ride than its predecessor. Fuel economy remains competitive for its class, offering a combined EPA rating around 23 miles per gallon. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Infiniti QX60 Autograph is expected to start around $64,000, which places it in a competitive spot against rivals like the Acura MDX and Lexus RX. What makes the Autograph truly stand out is the blend of luxury, comfort, and high-end features offered at a price point that undercuts many European competitors. The biggest selling point of the QX60 Autograph is its ability to serve as both a family-friendly SUV and a luxury executive vehicle. Whether you're heading out on a weekend trip or attending a business meeting, this SUV makes a statement without shouting. Its combination of aesthetics, comfort, technology, and performance ensures that it's not just another SUV, it's a complete lifestyle choice. Thanks for watching AutoMaster. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Infiniti QX60 Autograph, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the world's finest vehicles. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.